Hello there guys, and in this tutorial, after every single review, as you can probably guess, we are having a checkpoint, okay? So what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about shell scripting, okay? We are going to talk about shell scripting. Okay, and basically shell scripts are used to automate certain things related to files. And let me just say that it is good to be acquainted with shell scripts if you are a software developer, but if you are a regular user, watch this only if you are interested, okay? You can always go back to this section and watch it if you're really curious, or you can just kind of watch it while if you really kind of don't have anything better to do. But again, if you're just a regular user, I really don't see the purpose of you knowing how to write shell scripts, okay? Because this is really sort of like software engineering and up territory. And basically, I'm not saying, that any computer profession is better than the other. I'm just saying that, software engineers, I think they need to use Linux, but not really that much as system administrators. So I'm actually kind of ranking jobs based on their assumed Linux usage. So if you're a software engineer, you will most likely interact with Linux, but you won't really need to understand everything. And if you're a system administrator, you will pretty much need to understand everything, okay? So that's how I rank those jobs. But anyway, the aim of this section will be to get you familiar enough with shell scripting to read and write shell scripts, albeit you will need to Google certain details of the things you are trying to achieve if you are writing your own shell scripts. And we will go through all of this by making a very simple shell script which demonstrates the usage of each of the constructs we will learn to use. Okay, so we are actually going to learn by example, and I always kind of try to balance conceptual and conceptual learning and learning by example. I hope I've done a good job so far, and I hope that you will continue watching this series. And again, leave me feedback. Definitely, as I said in the multiple videos before, definitely do leave me feedback. I will read through it. Even though, again, I will most likely pre-record everything, I will read through the feedback that I get. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something useful. And by something useful, I mean the things we are going to delve into next, which is again going to be shell scripting. And that is useful, but only if you're like a software engineer or some other computer professional which uses Linux. And I will talk to you in the next tutorial. Bye.